Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Sakat no por onang la ban pendep ya ka jing pentray ya ka yung dorbar thawaiñ batmai ka jila hamau diang Kren bynñiaw u Lamphang ka yung dorbar thawaiñ Thomas isang ma namar basuki ka jing tray. Wala kata ka yung dorbar thawaiñ ka di bandep hapo ka por belabu kata unai lar arhajar apsaw latua ka tunum pelun ula penpaupat ya ka jing kermen babunsin baula hiar jurip ya ka jingtay mene kasngi palay bat umsngau tenat satya ya ka jingya jengka kam ya tu Lamphang. Lamphang ula hukum ya ka company ba pentray pinstead wood ya ka kam. Naba ka main hall but central hall kandon ya udum ubrashna da ki prefabricated steel komba sanpau pesen na kitiar kila dep 1 poi ula ong. Kat ba ka central hall ka badang sa akendian ajan dep artat ya tu Thomas isangma.
The Business Advisory Committee meeting for to discuss the calendar of the budget session, incoming budget session, which will, as you all know, which will start from 16th of February. So this time we have proposed to have 3 private members' business, 3 days private members' business, and 5 days of government business. So total it will be 8 working days, which will commence from 16th February and will end on 27th of February. So you wanted details?
Yes.
The first day of 16th February will be the address by the governor. Then there's some government businesses, introductions of bills, laying of ordinances, orders, presentation of supplementary demands and grants, then supplementary appropriation for 2023-24, then obituary references. Saturdays 17 and 18 is a holiday. Then 19th February, Monday, which is a government business again. There will be a debate on governor's address the whole day. And third day on 28th February will be private members' business will start. Then on 21st there will be Chief Minister's reply to governor's address and also the presentation of budget, voting on supplementary demands, and introduction consideration on passing of Meghalaya Appropriation Bill number 1. That is on 21st. Then 22nd again we have private members' business. 23rd Friday will be a general discussion on the budget and voting on demands for grants. Then 24th and 25th is again holiday. On Monday, the 26th February will be again private members' business. And the last day on 27th, the general discussion on the budget will continue. Then the Chief Minister's reply on the budget will take place and vote. Then we'll go on, continue with the voting and introduction of considering and passing of the appropriation number 2 bill, considering passing of government bills later on. Lastly, the prorogation, adjournment.
So, one small clarification, if you can again tell me when will be the budget presentation?
On 21st. 21st, the Thursday, Wednesday, sorry. Wednesday, 21st.
Budget session is supposed to be more days you could have allowed. Why there are only a few days?
I'm sorry?
Only a few days you have allotted.
I think in so many years, this is the first time we are going beyond 7 working days. We have gone 8 days. We don't know because we are also apprehensive of the general elections may be announced. So we want to finish the full budget before the elections, to the parliaments are announced. It's okay? Thank you very much.
update on regarding the new building of the assembly, sir?
Yeah, I had the site inspection today. I'm not very happy with the progress of work, frankly speaking. So I've asked them to expedite the progress, but then there are certain, we discussed about the issues, certain issues, the payments and the materials, delay in the materials coming on, because as you all know, the new hall, the central hall where the house is being built are being on prefabricated steel. So the materials take time to come in here, and especially with this now the roads also not able to carry so much of load, so it has to go round and coming, so it's taking time for the materials to reach. But however, 50% of the materials have reached, so they can start to work.
Is it because of this Umiam road that it is delaying?
No, not because of that exactly. There's so many other factors, because it's coming all the way from Maharashtra, so it takes time. It's not. There could be so many other Umiam bridges also
So
on the
what
way.
is the progress of work like, sir?
It's no, progress is happening, but it's slightly slow. As I said earlier, because it's because of the materials not being able to reach. Because we have completed only the paneling works and are being carried out in right wing and the left wing buildings. The work is almost complete. I can say safely that it is around almost 90%. The only part remaining, the middle portion, which is the main hall, where we'll have the assembly house.
The September deadline is not happening.
I'm sorry?
September deadline was the...
No, the September deadline is still on.
It's still on, but delay.
No, I mean, there's still time which we can finish it. So we have been assured that the house flooring will be completed by the central hall. The dome portion would be completed by March. So if that happens, I think we should be on time.